Hey everybody, it's Andrew. I just wanted to show you a quick little video about how to check to make sure if Avast antivirus is working correctly. So like if you have it installed on your system, that's your main antivirus that you use. This is going to be a video to test your definitions and make sure that they're up to date and working. So this video is going to be solely for Avast users. It's also going to give a brief little demonstration at the end for Windows Defender users, those that don't have antivirus installed yet, customers that use Windows Defender. That's going to show you how to do that too. But that's going to be very brief. It's going to focus mainly on Avast. Alright, so I'm doing this on a Windows 10 PC, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Avast UI. That's going to look just like this. And so what you want to do is once you're here, click here at Protection, and you're going to get this menu. Then go to Core Shields. Now as you can see, mine is already off, but you want to click here on Web Shield. You want to click on this little slider. And at the very bottom, you want to stop this permanently. And as you can see, it'll say you're vulnerable to threats. Turn Web Shield on to block dangerous websites and downloads. Just go ahead and turn that back on at the end of this video. You'll see me do that after I do this. So down in the description, you're going to see a line of text that contains random numbers and letters, and should have the contents EICAR in like somewhere in the middle of this big jumble of text. You want to go ahead and copy that text, and then once it's copied, go ahead and open Notepad. And then here in Notepad, just go ahead and paste that, and it should look like this down in the description. So this is what you want to be looking for. So once you've pasted this in Notepad, click the red X at the top and click Save, and then type eicar.com. And then so once you've typed this, under Save as Type, set this to All Files, and then make sure you save it to your desktop. Now simply click Save, and we're just going to let this sit for a minute. In just a minute, it'll find threats. So as you can see, Avast has detected threats, and it's moved it to the virus chest. So if we go ahead and open the virus chest, here is our virus. This virus has no harm to the system, so I'll go ahead and turn off my file shield, and I'll show you that this virus contains no harm at all. So I'll go ahead and save this once again. Here it is, eicar.com. So we'll go ahead and open it, and as you can see, the app cannot run on your PC, or on this PC. And it's telling us to find a version that, or check with the software publisher. This is because this is an MS-DOS program, and still, even if you run it in MS-DOS, it can't run. It's just incompatible. And that's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and just do this one more time. In fact, it should find it if I just turn the threats back on and scan my desktop, or my file shield. So if I go here, Core Shields, I'll turn this back on. I'm also going to turn that back on. See if it's going to find it. No, so we'll go ahead and just run a targeted scan here. So we'll just go ahead and scan the desktop. It should find a threat. So there it is. And we'll just go ahead and delete it. And it should disappear for a minute. And if we look in here, it should not be in there. And as you can see, no nasty files here. Alright, so to do this on Windows Defender, I'm not going to be able to really show you that much about it, because Avast is my main antivirus, and it's going to be a little watered down in Windows Defender. It's going to, when I keep like opening this in Avast. So To do this in Windows Defender, we'll simply open our Windows Defender Security Shield. And right here, we want to click on App and Browser Control. And you want to make sure, I don't know why this is off. You want to go ahead and make sure that Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge is turned off. This should also not be on or off. So you want to make sure right here where it says Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge, go ahead and turn that off. Same process, same deal. You go ahead and paste that text, save it, and then instead of getting a pop-up like I just got saying threats were secured, you'll get a little notification down here that threats were found and that you need to take actions immediately. If, for whatever reason, you're using Avast and you save it or you test it, and you get no pop-up after 1 minute and 30 seconds, it does take up to that amount of time for Avast to actually find it. If for whatever reason it does not find it, what you need to do is open up your Avast UI, go here to Menu, Settings, Update, and you'll want to immediately update your virus definitions. As you can see, I'll do it right now. And you want to immediately check for any updates in your program. So as you can see, it's up to date, and there were no updates available. So if that happens and it doesn't pop up, chances are you need to update your virus definitions. And if you update your definitions and it still doesn't pop up, you should check on your threat protection settings for your specific antivirus. So just make sure that these are all on and Web Shield is turned off for the test. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.